So the story goes, in the 4th century BC, Alexander the Great, the Macedonian ruler, once went to Athens and met with the great philosopher Diogenes. Diogenes was one of the leading philosophers at the time, and he was known for his cynicism. He made it a point to live on as little as possible, even taking up residence in his old water tub. During their meeting, Diogenes asked Alexander what his ambitions were. Alexander replied proudly that he intended to conquer all of Greece. What next? Diogenes asked. Alexander said, I want to take Asia. What next? Asked Diogenes. Alexander replied, I want to conquer the world. And then what? Diogenes persisted. Alexander thought for a moment and finally replied, maybe I should relax and enjoy myself. Diogenes said, why not save yourself the trouble and relax and enjoy now like I'm doing? And this is a prime example of what we are going to discuss today. People with seemingly the same goals have very different ways of reaching them. Some are more aggressive, some are more reserved, and a whole lot of possibilities in between. Hello, my name is Tarek, and today we are going to discuss risk appetite and how to turn it into practical decision-making tools. First, we will see what is risk appetite, what can businesses learn from the financial services industry, the dimensions along which risk appetite needs to be defined, using quantitative analysis to setting limits and early warning systems, ongoing monitoring, calibration, and exception management, and finally, using risk appetite to monitor risk exposures and actioning stop losses. What is risk appetite? There is a very heated debate within the risk management community about the usefulness of the framework and the utility of formulating a risk appetite statement. Some experts consider it an integral component of the enterprise risk management framework, while other experts contest its effectiveness and as such consider it more of a management monitoring dashboard that contains many trivial indicators. What is clear, however, is that this framework is more prevalent in the financial services industry, whereas in the non-financial domain, only part of it is considered necessary or worthy of application. As a financial services practitioner myself, the experience I will share is from a financial firm standpoint. So this could be extrapolated to many financial firms, but also to many non-financial firms. Risk appetite is the level of risk that an organization considers acceptable to take in pursuit of its strategic objectives in the existing and future environments before corrective action is deemed necessary. The three takeaways from this definition are: it is a subjective exercise where each company considers what is acceptable and what is not. It is a forward-looking exercise in the sense that it should also cover the intended trajectory the organization is embarked on. And if the risk appetite is breached, corrective action is necessary. So we will explore all of this in greater detail as we move forward. Let us start with the basics. Traditional versus modern view of risk management. In the traditional view of risk management, it used to be considered a hurdle to creativity or innovation, the no people, so to speak. In the modern view, risk management is considered an enabler of sorts, and whether or not you subscribe to the risk appetite statement, necessity or not, the only takeaway from this discussion is how to use risk appetite framework to act as a business partner. This goes to say that having a predefined risk appetite allows the firm to not only stay idle, but also it would act as a partner to the business units and empower their initiatives, albeit with the predefined framework. A very popular slogan we hear nowadays is move fast and break things. Don't ask for permission, ask for forgiveness. While this may work in some tech environments, in other critical environments such as the financial services, healthcare, and many others, uncontrolled innovation can lead to disastrous consequences that have lasting life and death repercussions. Implementing a self-driving technology before controlling all AI prediction bugs can lead to losses in human lives. Investing in crypto projects that